Hello coders, today we are going to uninstall MinGW compiler. So if you can see in control panel, you can't find the file name MinGW. And also if you go in settings and search in apps, you can't find it. So how to install it? Today we are going to discuss that. First of all, if you are new to codes and bugs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. First of all, you have to search for MinGW installation manager. Open it. Under this, some of the files are got selected, so you have to right click on it and select for mark for removal. You have to do this for all the files in this list. I am going to do this. So after marking, click on installation and then apply changes. Then finally click on apply. Here you can see all the files are getting deleted. Click on the close dialog box. So here you can see all the files are deleted. Close this window and search for environment variables. Open it. Then under advanced, here you can see environment variables. Under system variables, go to path, and here you can see the path for MinGW. You have to delete it. Click on OK, OK again. Then click on this PC. Then under your OS, you have to delete this folder named MinGW. Click on delete. So here you can see we have deleted all the files related to your MinGW compiler. So here is last shortcut, you have to delete it. So finally we have deleted all the files and uninstalled MinGW compiler. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our Codes and Bugs channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.